Hey there, guess what time of the month it is? It is Powersheets Prep Day. So remember, the first Friday of every month, Trena and Ashlyn and I are linking up and sharing our goals for the month using our Powersheets. And you can join us too by dropping the link to your Powersheets prep video below, and we will make sure to put it into our playlist so you can get other viewers on your video as well. Hi there, I'm Allie Dene of the Social Walker Agency, and I help entrepreneurs grow their business with strategy and accountability for achieving the goals that they set. Today's video is all about recapping my January goals and moving forward into February and what's to come for the Social Walker Agency. So let's get started. Today I want to go back and review my January goals with you. The ones that I mentioned are mainly my business goals, but I'm going to show you my whole work page so you can kind of see what's going on. So I've got prepping, business stuff, working on cleaning out my room, simplifying my life. I've got weekly goals and daily goals here as well. So I'm just going to recap really quickly where I am on all of those, and then we'll move forward to February. The first thing I had on my list for January was prepping and preparing for 2 speaking engagements that I had this month, and as nervous as I was, I think they both went really well. You can watch one of them here, and it is how social media can work for your business. And it was really fun to talk in front of a group of people. I haven't done that in a really long time, but doing these videos has really boosted my confidence in speaking, and I hope to continue to do that more in the future. And then the second event was another in-person workshop. This was a little bit different. We had several speakers, and I was the first one to go, and there was a stage and a microphone. It was so nerve-wracking, but it definitely allowed me to step into my word of the year, which is brave. And I'm really proud that I did both of these speaking engagements, and I think they went pretty well. You can ask anyone who attended, but I think I did all right. The next one was something I couldn't really share a lot of detail about at the beginning of the month, but the Business Basics Bootcamp starts on Monday, February 5th, and we are so excited. The 3 ladies that I'm doing this with, we are so excited to be bringing you 15 experts in different parts of our creative industry, and it's the basics of business, just the basics you need to know to get your business started or to continue moving it forward without feeling super overwhelmed with everything that's coming at you. So you can find that link below for the Business Basics Bootcamp that starts February 5th. And I will say, at the time this video is released, we are all set. Things are all moving, so that is another goal that was checked off this month. And if you're not sure how to check off your monthly goals, you can watch the video here that will show you how to break down your monthly goals into achievable ones, so you know like how much to mark off on the little progress bar here. Next was cleaning out my closet and my bathroom. There are just a few things I need to get rid of, and I wouldn't say I nailed this one on the head, but I got pretty far with it, and I'm really glad I have some simplifying in my life that's done, but there's a lot more that needs to be done this month in February. When it comes to my weekly goals for business, they're pretty much the same: a blog, a newsletter, and a video. And I did all right in January. There's definitely a week I missed, and that's okay. The point here is to keep going and to move forward and not to say, oh, I missed last week, it's okay if I missed this week too. So in February, I'm going to be adding that again, which will be repetitive probably for you, but for me, it's just something I need to do, is to put down those types of goals so I can check them off and hold myself accountable, because that's what these power sheets to me are really about, is holding myself accountable to getting things done. As far as daily goals, the only business ones I had were to engage on social media and Instagram every single day, and then to have a daily business hour. And again, I will say I hit this a lot of the days. There are, of course, a few it didn't work out, but spending 1 hour a day working on my business has allowed me to achieve my monthly and my weekly goals, because I made my business a priority as well as my client work. So moving into February, they have a page in here that says, what's on my calendar? What are you excited about? Well, let me just show you. We're celebrating this month, and we're celebrating my birthday in 2 years of the Social Walker Agency. That's right, I have been running the Social Walker now for 2 years, which is crazy, but I'm so grateful again for these power sheets that have helped me achieve the goals and stay afloat in business, as well as my amazing clients that I've had over the past 2 years. So that's what I'm celebrating. I do also have some travel planned for March, so I need to get a lot of content done, which is my big, huge goals for February as far as business things go. I've got a funnel that I'm working on, and then I am working on the rest of February and March content because I've got that travel coming down the road. So my word for the month was almost planned, but I wanted to celebrate and take time to enjoy this milestone in my business and in my life. Turning 28 might not seem like a big deal, but it's kind of an odd, very adult number. And so I'm going to be celebrating that at the same time as I'm celebrating my business, which is important. If you celebrating the little things in business, even if it's just checking off one monthly goal, take time to celebrate. This for me is just going to be an exciting month. It's a month of growth and a lot of planning and preparation for March and April and things to come. But I'm also excited to celebrate with my business and with my time because it's the doing the work and the prepping and the planning that allows me to celebrate. And I don't want to miss out on the celebration just because I'm focused so much on the planning. So that's my encouragement to you. Whatever you've got coming down the pipeline for February, even if it's the same thing, 4 blogs, 4 newsletters, 4 videos, that seems repetitive, but that's what's going to get me to celebrate my next milestone, hopefully in a year. And those little things will continue to move my business forward in a way that allows me to celebrate the small growth and the big growth as well. So thank you for joining. Don't forget to drop your Powersheets prep video link below so we can get you on our playlist, and go check out Ashlyn and Trena's channel as well.